In this tutorial, you'll learn how to download and install 7-Zip, a free and powerful tool to open and compress files. Step 1. Go to the official 7-Zip website. Step 2. Choose the version for your system. Step 3. Click to download the installer. Step 4. Open the downloaded file and follow the installation steps. Now let's create a zip file. Follow these steps to easily compress your files. Now let's extract the zip file. It's easy, just follow these steps. .7-Zip is now installed and ready to use. For more simple tech tutorials, don't forget to subscribe.